When designing asynchronous online material, particularly for technical topics like econometrics, it's important to try and ensure that students continue to be active learners rather than falling into the trap of watching videos as if they're watching Netflix. So one technique that you might make use of is chunking your videos up, chunking them up into smaller parts and breaking them up with exercise in between. Now, you can just do this in your online learning environment by creating smaller videos, say between 10 and 15 minutes as a maximum for each video, and then put an exercise for students to attempt between each video. Or you could think a little bit more advanced and try and incorporate your videos and your exercises into a package. There are a number of packages out there that you can use. There are some free packages like Xerte. There's other packages which cost quite a lot, like Articulate Storyline or Easy Generator, which allow you to package your small chunks of videos up along with exercises for students to attempt. Now, below this video, there is an example of a lecture I've put together where I break down a standard 50-minute lecture into smaller chunks with exercises to lead students along that journey. Now, you might decide, if you're putting technical material online, that you don't want to do it as equivalents to lectures. You might think that actually topics sit better together. But again, try and break those sessions up. Try and think about a maximum time for video of 10 to 15 minutes and allow students to engage with active learning throughout. Make sure that each video leads into something active for students to do in order to make sure that they are reinforcing the material that they see.